Hello everyone, this is Tracy of Publitin, and as I promised, this time we'll be doing an operating system, which is a server type called Ubuntu server. So without further ado, let's get started. So the first thing that we'll be doing is to search the or download the ISO file. So we just need search Ubuntu. Then in this website of the ubuntu.com, this is what the ISO file located. So we have click the download, then get Ubuntu server, and it will automatically download. So for my case, I already downloaded the ISO file, and here it is. So after that, let's now test how to install the server type. So all we need to do is to create another new virtual machine. Then after that, let's go click the typical. Then click the I will install the operating system later. So it is similar somehow to the previous tutorial that we do or what we did. So this time or last time we did Microsoft Windows, and this time we were doing Ubuntu, so it is a Linux. Just click the Linux and the version. Just find the Ubuntu 64-bit. Then after that, click Next. And for this virtual machine, you can change whatever virtual machine name you like. So for my case, I will be just like Ubuntu Server. You can also change the location, but for my case, I will just leave it as default. So let's just click next. And for this, specify this capacity. It is recommended that the Ubuntu 64-bit is 20 gig, so we are okay with the set 20 gig. Then we just need to store the virtual disk as a single file. And this prompt, let's just click customize hardware. Then in memory, let's just leave it as it is. The new CD/DVD, let's just click this use ISO image file. Again, this is where we're gonna put the file that we downloaded a while ago in the Ubuntu website. So let's browse and find where you downloaded it. And here it is. And after that, this network adapter or USB rather, USB adapter, let's just remove it. This will not be using. And the sound card also, as well as the printer. And for the display, let's just uncheck this accelerate 3D graphics. And after that, we are okay, and then click finish. And that's it is. We are now ready to power on this virtual machine, and let's go to install the Ubuntu server. And let's go. And we can also click. Let's just click the try or install Ubuntu server. Let's just wait for a while. Let's just wait for this to be finished. This actually getting installed our Ubuntu server operating system. And now we are ready. Let's just wait. And here it is. Let's just click English and continue without updating. After that, let's just leave this keyboard configuration and click done. And for this one, this is just type of install Ubuntu server. So let's just click done. And for create one, continue without network. And also this is just click done. And that's it for the configure Ubuntu archive mirror. Let's just click done. And for this, the check menu is okay, and let's just leave it as it is. So the guided storage configuration, let's just click done also. As well as for this one, let's just click done. Storage configuration. And for confirm destructive action, let's just click continue. And we now let's just set up our profile, and I will just click or put my name. My server is Ubuntu. I will just put Ubuntu server, pick a name, choose password. Just put whatever password you have in mind. Just click OK. Just skip this one, the Ubuntu Pro. Then for this SSH setup, let's just click this install open SSH server by clicking enter, and then no, and just click done. Wait a minute. Yeah, it's done. And that's it. We can now wait until it finishes install our Ubuntu server. This will take a while because there's many files that the server will need to install and also load it. So let's just wait until it's finished to download and install complete. And now we are now finished the installing part, and in a minute we are now completing the installing part. And for this setup, we just need to reboot the system. And let's just wait again um, for it to be finished. We are now into the 80% or at least 90% of our installing the Ubuntu server. And now we are now okay. we now finish how to install the Ubuntu server. And now I'll be teaching you how some commands and what are their functions, how they work in this Ubuntu server. Let's just wait for it to finish all the interfaces. Now we are now done. And for Ubuntu server login, let's just put what username we inputted earlier. So for my case, it's Joycia. And for the password, let's just put whatever password you put earlier. Yeah. That's it. You're now entering the Ubuntu server CLI or the command CLI the command line interface. And now we will be proceeding to the commands or example commands as well as their functions or what are they, how they work in this Ubuntu server. For our first command, let's just put hostname C hostname CTL. So as we can see, this command is used to query and change the system hostname and related settings. It provides detailed information about the system static and transient hostname, kernel hostname, icon name, and our next command is put the ping dash C3 space google.com. Oh, I inputted the wrong. It is a single C. So in this command, this ping command is used to test the reachability of a host on an internet protocol or the IP network. The dash C3 option specify that it should send 3 ICMP echo request packets to the specified host. In this case, we use the google.com. So our next is command sudo apt space update. In a while, I'm having apt update. And let's just put the password. And for this command, as you can see, this command updates the package list on your system, which is necessary before installing or upgrading software. The sudo is used to execute the command with super user privileges, just like the admin, or in short, is admin. After that, we can also put this command, sudo apt space install net-tools. So this command installs the package net-tools, which includes the package essential networking utilities like ifconfig. The sudo is used to execute the installation with super user privileges. And just like what it said, it is now working if we type the ifconfig, because earlier, if you want to try before putting the sudo apt nettools, it is not readable by the system. It's just like ifconfig is not it's not a command. So we need to install the nettools or the package for it to be readable by the system or the server. So let's now put ifconfig. And as we can see, the ifconfig command displays information about network interfaces on our system. It includes the IP addresses, the MAC addresses, and other related network details. So that's it. The other commands, you can also um discover it. I will just link it I will just link it in my bio as well as the Ubuntu website. And that's all. And for this interface, we will just put exit, and we're now done and now ready to discover and observe and to learn more about Ubuntu server. And I hope that in this our series you learn a lot from our first, second, and our last tutorial video of operating system. We did in the first is the Linux using SUSE, and the second we install Windows XP, and now we are now doing the Ubuntu server. And I hope you learn a lot for our series of operating system tutorials. And Merry Christmas and Happy New Year to all of you. Bye. Cheerio, ciao.